What's going on, friends? Welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to be reviewing AMZscout's Pro extension. So if you don't know anything about AMZscout, basically they're a software company that provides a suite of tools to Amazon sellers who are predominantly selling on Amazon through the business model of private labeling. So as you can see here with their tools, they have a ton of tools. They have a web app, they have a keyword tracker, FBA fee calculator, sales estimator. But in this video, we're strictly just going to be reviewing the Pro extension, which is one of their most used products. So as you can see here at their website, if you go scroll down to the very middle, in terms of pricing, the AMZscout Pro extension can be paid via monthly, or you could buy a lifetime license to get access to it. So their monthly fee is $44.99 per month, or $199 for total access to the actual extension itself. As you can see, they also have a free trial. If you want to check it out, just click on the button there, or you can click on the link below in the description to give it a shot. But besides that, let's just go straight to the data itself. As you can see, I already did a research on a very saturated product, which is the garlic press. Definitely would not recommend getting this product. This product is super saturated. But let's just look at all of the data points that the AMZscout Pro extension provides for us. So as you can see here at the very top right here, we could look at the results, the average monthly sales, the average sales rank for this particular product, the average price, the average reviews, the saturation score, and the niche score. Now, I do find this fairly convenient because just from right in the get-go, looking at this page, I can already tell whether or not I should be going after this product. Now, the other data points that we could be looking at, as you can see here at the very bottom left, if you click this button right here, if you do utilize their other suite of tools, you could actually add a particular product down to your tracker utilizing the web app. You could use their profit calculator, look through the product history of this product. You can look at the keywords that this particular product is going for, as well as potentially looking at it on Alibaba and Google as well. So that's pretty neat. In terms of the other data points that we're looking at, as you can see here, there's the product score, the amount of sellers that are selling this product. So with this particular point, most of these are private label sellers. So as you can see, the data points is mostly just one or two. And then as you can see here, there's a few people selling used products or wholesaling it. As you can see, this one's 23 sellers and 26 sellers, and so on. Now, with these other data points, of course, we have the BSR, or the sales rank. We have the price for each particular product, the fees for each product based on the weight and dimensions, and potential margins after all the fees are said and done. As you can see over here, you also have the estimated amount of sales. Now, with these products right here at the very top, these are most likely sponsored ads. As you can see, there's a pretty big gap with this. This one's 86 sales per month. This one's 3,500 sales per month. Now with the estimated revenue, that one is pretty standard. We can see the products strictly from page 1, rank 1, going down and so on, as well as the number of reviews. This one is the monthly revenue per review that's calculated, as well as the product rating as well. So you can see it's pretty straightforward, but what I do like about this is you could actually filter it down based on the price, rank, the amount of inventory that they have, the amount of sellers that they have, and apply it to this particular page. So you could really filter down to exact parameters that you want. As you can see here at the very bottom, you could look at the next page of sellers. You can refresh this page. You can look at trends, which looks at Google Trends, and you can see this product is, it's pretty standard. I mean, it's a home and kitchen product. It's fairly evergreen. There's not really any massive spikes or anything for garlic presses. And as you can see here, we could also look at the amount of keywords. So as you can see here, these are the most prevalent keywords that are being used for that particular niche. And you could also download the information and export that to a CSV. If you have a virtual assistant, you can have them sift through all this data as well, which will make it a lot more convenient. But another thing with this Pro extension that I do like is, as you can see at the very bottom right, it does have a niche idea. So if you're just stumped on what products to look for, if you just click on this, it's just going to pull up other products that hits a particular parameter for AMZscout, just to give you an idea of what products to look for. So as you can see here with these Marvel Adventure toys, this is really more just for wholesaling. You know, you can't really private label these types of products. But if we click on this again, it's just going to give us more ideas. This one's a neck hammock, and it's just going to pop up and give us more ideas. What I would recommend if you were doing this is if you had like a notepad or an Excel sheet, every time you click on this, just copy down the link or the particular keyword that you're looking for, and you could possibly find a product that's not too competitive or overly competitive to go after. So again, with this particular product, and it's super saturated, I wouldn't be going after this. But yeah, you can pretty much just keep going with this and find random products that might pop up. But as you can see here, again, that one's super saturated again. But it's pretty much just the luck of the draw with this product. So if you ever feel stumped in your product research, the niche idea button through the Pro extension is a pretty creative tool, in my opinion. But that pretty much just breaks down the entire Pro extension itself. One thing that I forgot to go over is the niche history tab right here. So as you can see with this particular niche, we can look at the amount of sales or average sales that have gone through this product or this particular niche. You could also look at the sales rank and the price changes that have occurred over the last year or so. So that's pretty neat, but let's actually look at another example. So let's just, I don't know, put in another product that you shouldn't be going after. Posture corrector, for example. Let's just look at the niche history for that because the other product wasn't particularly accurate. So with the niche history, there we go. So that's more clear data. So as you can see, the actual price has gone down throughout the year as more people, it looks more like there's a price war going on. And as you can see, the average sales and sales rank, which is kind of the very bottom right here, that has changed sporadically over time. But as you can see, most of the data that you need throughout your product research can be found utilizing this extension. I'll be making other videos that's going to review all the other softwares that are out there for web apps, pro extensions, etc. But that pretty much just covers my review. If you want to give this a shot, you can. Again, it's a free trial. The pricing has been covered, so if you want to take a look at that, go ahead and click the link below. If you went ahead and click on the link, of course, that's an affiliate link that helps the channel out as well. But hopefully that clarifies what the Pro extension is about. And you know, again, there's so many softwares out there, and hopefully it pretty much clarifies, you know, which software might work out for you. So that's really it. That's the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.